This is the 2011 Amalia Cascina Amalia from Barolo in Piedmont, Italy. Simply put, Barolo is one of the finest wine regions in the world in the foothills of the Alps. Piedmont grows Nebbiolo better than anywhere else. It's its classic home, and it grows almost exclusively in this region. It gives such fantastically expressive wines and really great ageability. What's nice about this wine is that it's showing really expressively right now in its youth. There's so much bright cranberry, red cherry, and raspberry character going on that's coupled with a sort of toasty, woody, mesquite spice that I really love in excellent Barolos. Don't be afraid to drink this now, but definitely put some away as well. It's got several years of ageability on it, and it would be really lovely to see how much that sort of woody spiciness will express in years to come. Cheers.